the CABE report was all about, minority opinions and, hearing those, hearing everybody on the team and the culture at NASA shifted with the CABE report. There became a lot more of an emphasis on the minority opinions and getting the diverse perspectives and all. And so, I heard all that talk, but, I didn't fully absorb it until I did LRO. And working on LRO and the team that Craig Tooley put together on LRO, where we had it was a very diverse team. I mean, Craig went out of his way to select people for the team that had different ways of looking at problems. And so it was when I was putting the lessons learned together afterwards, when I'm, putting some presentations and stuff together after doing LRO, that it became very clear to me that the strength of the LRO team was all of these diverse perspectives, and that the project was able to hear different people and use all that information in order to prevent problems, to head things off. We had another almost escape that we caught at one of our design reviews because one of our, we had a good reviewer who highlighted something that we had missed that nobody else had thought about. So it's that kind of stuff that, makes you realize how much on the edge we always are with these missions, and really appreciate all the different perspectives that come into play. If everybody's looking at the problem the same way, then there's a whole another aspect that's hidden from everyone. It's I think of it in terms of if you're trying to look at some large object, just being all the way around it is a lot easier than just looking at it from one side.